Should we start now? Sorry for delay actually. Okay, so it was like few technical things needs to be arranged before taking live. So once we get more frequent on live, okay, so that technical difficulties will go off. Okay, so let's start a session on RDC, recurring decimal cyclicity. Okay, it's a unique concept. I don't know how many are aware of this. Hi everyone. Hi Parth. Hi Bhumika. Hi Ashutosh. Hi Parth. Hi Dinesh. Hi Akash. Hi Rahmani. Anas. Hi. Sure, let's start now. Okay. So we'll have a good session here, right? We hope. Now, see what is concept is actually you must have watched my numbers video. Okay. The concept here was if I divide a number by 9, right? So let's say a number and divide by 9. So let's say it is like x by 9, right? So it's a recurring decimal pattern actually, if you remember, right? What was that? If the actual pattern was if we write any time, suppose I write 0.3 bar. So that basically means what? If I write 0.3 bar, that basically meaning is 3 by 9. That was basically 1 by 3. And the value was like 0.3333 and so on. Right. So if it is like 0.33, so we write it 0.3 bar and we call its RDC is equal to 1. RDC is recurring decimal cyclicity, right? So here I can see that after one digiting, the decimal part starts repeating like 3, 3, 3 and all, right? Now, if I write 0.23 bar, that value is actually 23 upon 99. And the pattern will go like what? If you write 0.23 bar, what is the pattern? All of you remember this? You watched this video? Yes. So it will go like this. 0.23, 23, 23 like this. So here it is like 0.23 bar and then we call this RDC is equal to 2. Why RDC is 2 here? Because it's repeating after 2 points. Two reads here. 2, 3, again 2, 3. So RDC is 2. So all of you remember this, right? We discussed this actually numbers basic videos. And then if it is like, so how did you get this actually? So if I say, let's say x is equal to 0.2323, what is the rational value of this number actually, right? So this is my equation 1. I make an equation 2 since it repeats after 2 digits. So I make an equation 2 by multiplying by 2 zeros. 2 zeros means 100. And the value becomes what? 23.232323 and so on. This is my equation 2 actually. Now if I subtract these two equations, so decimal part will get cancelled. So I get 99x is equal to 23 and therefore x is equal to 23 upon 99. So I hope this you remember all this concept, right? So then we can move on to a bit higher level actually, right? So this is my pattern. You got the meaning of RDC now. This RDC is equal to 1 here and RDC is equal to 2 here. I hope it is clear, right? All of you know this? Okay. Now, so now let's try to understand this now, second part here. So whenever we have a number like this, an n divided by 9, and what is the value here? So if I write n divided by 9, a number, let's say I put n equal to 1 here. So if I'll put n equal to 1 here, what will happen? What is 1 by 9? 1 by 9 is what? It is 0.1111 and so on. What is the RDC? Its RDC is equal to 1. Fine. Then if it is 1 by 99. Now can you tell me what is the value of 1 by 99? This chapter becomes very important once they have introduced calculator in CAT, right? Because they can ask you very good questions on this basis here. Okay. So this when calculator has become a part of CAT, then this becomes very important actually, right? So what is 1 by 99? So this is 1 by 100, very close to 1 by 100, that is 0.01. So its value will be, if you can check in calculator, 0.01010101, and its RDC will be equal to 2. Fine. Now, if I take 1 by 999 here, understand the concept, right? It's a very beautiful concept, understand slowly. Okay. If I write 1 by 999 here, what is 1 by 999 value? You can tell me now. It is what? It is 0.001001 like that. So what is the RDC here? Its RDC is equal to 3 because it's repeating after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. Now getting repeated here. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. So RDC is 3. Here RDC is 2. Repeating after every 2 digits here. So RDC is 2 here. RDC is 2. All getting this fine? So now, and when you have this concept here, so what we'll do, I'll tell you the extract of actually, right? So I'll tell you the extract of Euler's and Fermat's little theorem, right? We're not going to discuss these theorems actually. All of you know what Euler number, right? And this is in higher mathematics, it's a Fermat's little theorem, and it is Euler number, right? We know. So I'll tell you the extract of this part, right, in an aptitude way, right? So I'm not going to discuss very high level mathematics, just an aptitude thing, right? Just a basic application of all these numbers, and then we can solve very, so by basic application of this, I can solve very tough questions on this part, right? Tough questions. Okay. So yeah, don't go in that detail that what is Fermat little theorem and all. Let's just try to get the basics here, right? So just get this point here. RDC 1 by 9. So any number divided by 9, RDC is 1. Any number divided by 99, RDC is 2. Any number divided by 999, RDC is 3. It's about any number here, right? You can do in calculator. It's about any number actually. Divided by 9, RDC will be 1. Repeat after every one digit. Okay. Now, if I move forward here now, you see. Yeah. All of you can note down slowly. Okay. So now the first point basically is if n divided by 9 and the value has got RDC is equal to 1, then RDC is equal to 1 for all the factors of 9 also. Okay, then RDC is equal to 1 for all the factors of 9 also, right? Okay, so if n by 9 is RDC 1, then RDC is equal to 1 for all the factors of 9. In this case, factors of 9 is what? 3. That means if I divide anything by 3, right? If I say 1 by 3, then it's like, what is its value? 0.3333. So obviously, its RDC is 1. Its RDC is 1. Or if I write, let's say 2 by 3. So what is that value? 0.6666. You're getting it? Its RDC is actually 1. Again 1 because it's repeating after every one digit now. Okay. So if n by 9 RDC is 1, right, then RDC is 1 for all the factors of 9 also. That means any number divided by 3 will have RDC 1, right? Therefore, any number divided by 3 will have RDC of 1 also. Fine. We'll have RDC of 1. Right. Slowly, we started right from very basics, right? And we'll go to the toughest concept of this, toughest level of this question, these questions actually, right? Just get one by one all these points. Second point. Second point is, if I know that n by 99, any number divided by 99, we just did, right? What is the RDC? Any number by 99, RDC is 2. Values like, if it is 1 by 99, value is 0.010101, so RDC is 2. Repeating after every 2 digits. So if it is n by 99, then RDC is actually 2 here, right? Then I can write that then RDC is equal to 2 for all the factors of 99 also, right? If I take any factor of 99, again its RDC will be 2, right? And whenever we have common, so its RDC will be 1 only, right? Suppose, for example, if I take a number here, let's say what is the factor of 99? Let's say 33. If I take 33 here, so 1 by 33. 33 is a factor of 99. Okay, what is the RDC here? RDC has to be 2, right? You can calculate the value actually, right? The RDC has to be 2. So if you take 1 divided by 33, so 1 divided by 33, what is the value? It is 0.0303. You're seeing it, right? All of you can observe this. All of you can observe this. Again, its RDC is actually 2. Okay, so 1 by 33 is 0.030303 and its RDC is 2, right? That means, and it's true for any factor of 99, right? So all the factors of 99 will have RDC is 2. And whenever we have common, we'll take the least RDC. That means 9 is a factor of 99. Okay, 9 is a factor of 99. So 9 has RDC 1. So we know that we'll take in that case we'll take RDC 1, right? So except all the common factors. So if I take all the factors of 99, you're getting it, all the factors of 99, right? So we can have some common factor, like in first case I told any number divided by 9, the RDC is 1 here, right? So now you can ask me that, okay, 99 is a number and 98 is a factor of this 99. So why is not 9 RDC is 2, right? So but what I told actually, whenever we have common factors, that means that in that case we'll take the least RDC, right? So whenever we have like 9 has got RDC 1 also, 9 will have RDC 2 also, because in 19 in triple nine, again for triple nine, 9 is a factor. So you can tell RDC is 3 also, right? No. So if 9 has RDC 1, 2, 3, everything, then we'll take the least RDC. So whenever we have common number, you can note this point here. Whenever we have common number, we'll take the least RDC. Okay. And then it's true for all the factors of 99. If I take, suppose I write 3 by 11. So again, 11 is a factor of 99. 11 is a factor of 99. So what you can blindly tell here is, that its RDC will be obviously 2, right? Its RDC will be obviously 2. Notice the value. The value will become 3 divided by 11. The value will become what? We know by percentage. Hai 1 by 11 is 9.09 percentage. So 3 by 11 is 27.27%. That is 0.2727. That's all, right? So obviously, so what I'm telling is, if any number divided by 99, its RDC is 2, then all the factors of 99 also will have RDC 2, right? That means factors like 33, 11, right? And this concept will just go on, right? This will go on till infinity, right? This is a very, very good concept, right? And this will go for some very good numbers actually, right? Just giving you 2 minutes time, just note down these things actually. Okay. Meantime, let's see what chat is going on. All are getting this? Yeah, little bit of technical difficulty which occurred earlier. Kindly forgive for that. Okay, so we are going first time live in this season. So if we go more frequently, that will obviously be cleared, right? It's clear to all, I think. All I've noted. Okay. Now let's move forward here. Now, if I take up this concept now, take this concept forward here. Okay. So move to third point in this series actually. Okay. Third one. Yeah. Now again I'll write if n by triple nine, if n by triple nine, okay. What is RDC? Triple nine. Quickly. What is RDC? 3? Yeah, RDC is 3. So if n by triple nine has RDC is equal to 3, okay, then again continue with that. Then all the factors of triple nine will have RDC 3. Correct? If all the factor, if n by triple nine has RDC 3, that we know for sure now, then all the factors of triple nine will have RDC 3. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm giving you an extract of Euler's theorem, format filter theorem in an aptitude way, right? Easy for you to understand and remember this concept forever, right? So now, then all the factors of triple nine will have RDC 3 now, right? Okay. Now, if this is true, actually, if this is true, right? Obviously, this is true. Then what are the factors of triple nine? Unique factors, numbers like 37, right? Right. Triple is a big number, now. So triple nine factors, triple nine factors. Quickly, guys, I've uploaded 50 videos on numbers. So these things should be in your mind. What is triple nine? Yeah, 37 into 27. Fine. 37, 27, 3, triple 11. All are factors of triple nine. So I'm talking about unique triplets, right? Unique factors, right? 3 already occurred in 9. Okay, so I'm not talking about 3 here. 3 already occurred in 9. We know that n has got 3 has got RDC of 1. So I told you, whenever we have common numbers with say with different RDCs, take the least RDC actually, right? So if 3 has got RDC 1, RDC 2, then we take RDC as 1 only, right? So 3, and we know that 3 has got RDC 1. Talk about all the unique numbers here, unique numbers, right? So 37, 27, triple one, all these are factors of triple and obviously triple three. So what I'm telling here is, if the value of 1 by triple nine, if the value of 1 by triple nine is equal to, okay, so if the value of 1 by triple nine, now you can just check in calculator, right? All of you can check in calculator. Okay, I told you once cat has become important, this is sorry, when cat has introduced calculator, this is a very important session after this. When cat has introduced calculator, they can ask so many good questions on this RDC concept, right? And we'll cover everything today. So what is 1 by triple nine value? Tell me, all of you. Now you can use a calculator. I don't have any issue with that. Use a calculator. Yeah. I can simply write it's again 1 by triple nine, you know. Okay. 1 by thousand is what? 0.001. The same thing here. Like it's like 0.001, and so on. I know RDC is 3. Now if I take the value, so now take any factors of this triple nine here, right? If I take 3 by 37. Now see in calculator what is the value. Everyone check in calculator what is the value. Right. You'll come to know what I'm saying actually. 3 by 37. What is the value? Can you say it? The value is point, I remember actually, so you can check in calculator. 0.081, 0.081, 0.081, and so on. What is the RDC? What is the RDC? RDC is 3. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, if a number divided by triple nine has RDC 3, That means repeating after every three digits, right? In that case, all the factors of 999 divided, if I divide by any factor of 999, its RDC will remain 3. You can check for any number. You can check for 5 by 333 also. What is 5 by 333? Check in calculator. 5 by 333. Quickly. 0.015, 0.015, getting 0.015. What is the RDC? 015, 015. What is the RDC? RDC is 3. So now we are absolutely thorough with this concept, right? So this goes with any number of nines now. Any number of nines, right? Number of times 9 is appearing here, that has got same RDC here, right? Same RDC. So a 9 occurring 3 times, RDC is 3, and all the numbers has all these factors of 999 has RDC 3. 9 occurring 2 times, RDC has 3. Sorry, RDC has 2, and all the factors of 99, RDC has 2, right? And this funda will go on forever, right? So let me generalize it now. Written enough to understand it, right? Let me generalize it now. Okay, generalize it now. So n divided by 999 n times. Okay, its RDC is equal to n, and all the factors of 999 n times, okay, 999 n times will have RDC is equal to what? N. RDC is equal to n. Super important point, right? Super important point. Mark this in a box. Very important point. So n divided by 9999 n times. Okay, if it is n times, then its RDC is equal to n, and all the factors of 999 will have RDC as equal to n. Correct? So we can answer few 2-3 good questions here, or now I can say it should be very basic now once you got the concept, right? The first question could be, what is the 40th digit after decimal in what is the 40th digit after decimal in the expansion of 5 by 37. Now, all can use calculator for this question, right? To get the value of 137, 1 by 37, you can use calculator, right? You start with 37, we'll go to higher numbers, we'll go to 77, we'll go to 91, we'll go to 143, right? We'll see all the concepts, right? Just answer this quickly, this question. So what I want is 48 digit after decimal in expansion of 5 by 37, right? Okay, so what is the value of 505? What is the first thing what you should know is, here I'm dividing by 37. So n divided by 37, what is the RDC? RDC has to be equal to 3, right? RDC has to be equal to 3. Okay, so if RDC is 3, so I just should know what is the first 3 values. So what is the value of 5 by 37? The value of 5 by 37 is actually 0.135. If the value of 5 by 37 is 0.135, and it will get repeating, right? It's like 0.135, again 135, right? Again 135, correct? So if it is going like this, so what is the 40th digit? So it's repeating after every 3 digit, right? It's repeating after every 3 digit. That basically means that 40th digit after decimal is equivalent to 40 by 3 remainder. What is 40 by 3 remainder? 1. So 40th digit is equivalent to exactly first digit, because after every 3 digit it will get repeated, right? 3, 3, 3, 13 times. 39 gone. So I'm just left with 1. Okay, I'm just left with 1 in that case, right? That means 40th digit after decimal is actually what? It has to be 1. 40th digit after decimal, since repeating after every 3 digit, 40 by 3 remainder, that is 1. That is equal to first digit. That is equal to first digit after decimal. What is first digit after decimal? First digit after decimal is 1. So answer for this question is 1. Fine. Clear to all? Any doubt? Anybody? Okay. So all are found fine with this, right? Now, let's do one more. What is the second question, right? What is the 57th digit after decimal in the expansion of? Easy one. 2 by 11. You don't need calculator for it. Answer quickly. And you can answer one more. 88th digit after decimal in 2 by 11. Answer these two questions here. Should be fine, right? What is the answer first one? 2 by 11. Value. 2 by 11 value. Percentage याद करो. For what is percentage? 1 by 11, 9.09. 1 by 11, 9.09. What is 2 by 11? 0.181818, है ना? So value of 2 by 11 is 0.181818. What is the RDC here? RDC is 2. Repeating after every 2 digit, that I know, right? Since it is 11, that I know that for that I don't need this value actually, right? Because 11 is a factor of 99. So 99 RDC is 2. So 11 RDC is also 2, right? So 99 RDC is 2. 11 RDC is also 2. So for that, repeating after every 2 digits, right? So that means I can answer simply, right? If I want 57 digit, it's like every, you can see here, right? First digit, first digit, third digit, fifth digit, at all the odd places, right? Basically at all the odd digits, right? At all the odd places, what is the value? Value is 1. 1. First, third, fifth, like that. And all the even places like second digit, fourth digit, sixth digit, eighth digit, what is the value? Its RDC is what? Its RDC is 2, obviously. So what is the value? It is 8 actually, right? This is 8. So at all the even places, it is 8. So whenever you have to ask any event, so 88 digit is an even digit, answer would be 8. This is what? This is odd digit, so answer would be 1. So you can answer such basic questions right now. Okay. Let's move a little bit higher. Okay, let's move a little bit higher. Fine. Okay. Hi, Ubed. Sir, please give me some advice what to do it in CAT 20 from now. Okay, yeah. All have my number actually, right? You can join our WhatsApp group and I'll guide you. No issue, right? I'm guiding many of them personally. Okay, there's in YouTube description link. Our WhatsApp group link is there. Join in that WhatsApp group, and then in that WhatsApp group, personally message me and we'll discuss in that WhatsApp group as well as personally how should we prepare it, right? So everybody who are watching right now, join our WhatsApp group. It's in YouTube, our channel, YouTube's description link. Okay. Now, let's move forward. Chalo. So now, what we should remember now is for some tough numbers, right? So I know that for 9, factors of 9, right? Factors of 9, factors of 99, factors of triple nine. Okay, all this is fine. This is fine, right? So some famous numbers actually, right? So some famous numbers I got to remember RDC, right? So in this series, like if you have watched my divisibility video in numbers, if you have watched my divisibility video in numbers, so you must be knowing that 999,999, right? If I write 999,999 6 times, number is 9,99,999. So in this series, it will occur somewhere here, right? In this series, occur somewhere here, है ना? This line is occurring 6 times. So since I can make blocks of 3, so 999 basically are completely divisible by 7 and 13, right? You should know it. If you have watched my divisibility video, right? If you don't, you should watch it, right? Otherwise, remember for now that 999, okay, in this series are its famous factors are basically 7 and 13. Okay, so 7 and 13 are the factors of 999 and 999 number, right? So again, what I understand what I'm saying. Everybody open your mind actually, right? Don't sleep. What I told, 9 has got RDC1, all its factors RDC1. 99 has got RDC2, all its factors RDC2. 999 has got RDC3, all its factors RDC3, right? All its factors I'm saying, all its factors actually, right? So in this series, 6 times 9 will also come, right? And its RDC will be 6. Its RDC will be 6, correct? So 6 times 9 will come, its RDC will be 6. Yeah. So all the factors of all the factors of 6 times 9 also will have also will have RDC6, also will have RDC6, right? So what are the famous factors of this number? So this number's famous factors are 7 and 13. If you multiply 7 and 13, it becomes 7 13 also, right? Yeah, 11 is a factor, 7 correct, and 7 is a factor of this number, 13 is a factor of this number, 11 is a factor of this number, um, 13, 11, yeah. 9, then and multiply these two. 13 into 7, 91 is a factor of this number. 11 into 13, 143 is a factor of this number. 7 into 11, 77 is a factor of this number, right? So all these are very famous numbers, right? These are because these are basic prime numbers actually, right? So we should know, right? It's not like that any in CAD, if you see the questions actually, right? It has to be some very good concept, basic concept, and putting something extra onto it, right? They never ask for a question like 1,000 and something is a prime number. No, they check on this basic prime numbers, right? 37, 43, 31, 17, 9, 11, 13, 7, right? So these are prime numbers which you should be very absolutely, you should be like, yeah, you should be very familiar with actually. And again, so many times I've discussed about these numbers in my numbers videos, right? Anybody would have watched my numbers videos would have obviously अभी तक क्या हो गया होगा, पूरा याद हो गया होगा, रट गया होगा आप लोग को actually, right? These numbers. So but many people are new here, right? So what we'll see, so we'll discuss all these numbers, right? So what I'm saying here is, in this series, so what we're trying to remember is we are trying to remember remember RDC of some famous numbers actually, some famous numbers, right? What are the famous numbers? These are the famous numbers, right? 7, 13, 11, 91, 143, 77. All these are factors of 9,99,999. What is the RDC here? It's all RDC will be what? Come on, what is the RDC? RDC will be equal to 6. RDC will be equal to 6. So for all these numbers, the RDC is actually equal to 6, right? Got all the points actually, right? So we'll discuss the RDC of some famous numbers. We can derive so many numbers actually, right? It does depends on numbers of 9. So when 999 occurring 6 times, so its RDC has to be equal to 6, and all the factors of 9,99,999, its RDC will be equal to 6. Remember it, right? Now remember it. Okay. So we have done very good numbers actually, right? So we have all those numbers covered up now. All those famous numbers, like we know the RDC of all these numbers like now. Okay, like we know RDC of 37, we know RDC of 27, we know RDC of 7, we know RDC of 13, we know RDC of 11, we know RDC of 9, right? All these famous numbers. We know RDC of 99. We know RDC of 111. We know RDC of 33. Right. So all these famous numbers RDC we know. Right. Quickly. What is the RDC of 37? What is the RDC of 37? 3. Because 37 is a factor of 999. What is RDC of 27? 3. Because 27 is factor of 999. What is RDC of 7? We just discussed here. RDC of 7 is 6. Because 7 is a factor of 6 times 9. What is RDC of 13? 6. Because 13 is factors of 6 times 9. What is RDC of 11? RDC of 11 is 2. Because RDC is factor 11 is factor of 99. What is RDC of 9? RDC of 9 is 1, we know. What is RDC of 99? It is 2, we know. What is RDC of 111? RDC of 111 is 3, we know. What is RDC of 33? It's 2 because 33 is factor of 99. So all these RDC we have covered up now, right? For some good questions, we have covered all the RDCs, right? Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Okay. So we can do some questions now, right? Some good questions. Combination of different logic. Yes, we should. Okay. Now, so let me write a question here. Yes. So the question is now, what is 22nd digit after decimal in expansion of 1 divided by 143? Quickly. What is the 22nd digit after decimal in expansion of 1 divided by 143? Don't take in calculator at first, right? We should know what is the RDC actually, right? This is very important. What is the RDC for this number 143? Okay. What is the RDC of this number 143? So see, two ways, right? There are two ways. First way is this 143 we have just seen in the last slide that 143 was factor of, since 11 and 13 was factor of 999, so 143 is also factor, not sorry, not 999, 6 times 9. So 143 is factor of 6 times 9. So 143 is factor of 6 times 9. Then its RDC, therefore its RDC is equal to 6. One way to think. Other way to think, 143 break into two parts, 11 into 13, right? For 11, its RDC is 2, we know, because 11 is a factor of 99. For 13, its RDC is 6. Now we know its RDC is 6. That means, so 143 should be a combination of 11 as well as 13, right? So what is, that means digit occurring every 2 times and digit recurring after 6 times. So if I combine, that means what? That means that, what is the combined RDC? Combined RDC has to be 6. Any digit occurring, any RDC 2 means repeating after 2 times. RDC 6 means repeating after 6 times. So if I combine both, it has to be 6 times. That is LCM of 2 and 6 actually, right? That is LCM of 2 and 6. That means our RDC for this question is 6. Our RDC for this question is 6, right? Am I clear to all? RDC for this question, this 143 is 6. Yeah. So if RDC for this 143 is 6, so now what we can do? We can simply answer now. Now we can take up the calculator actually, right? So what is equivalent? If I want 22nd digit, so it is repeating after every 6 digits. That means 22 by 6. My remainder will be equal to 4. So what I'm looking at? I'm actually looking at fourth digit after decimal. I'm looking at fourth digit after decimal. Fine. So if I'm looking at fourth digit after decimal, what is the digit? What is the value? Now I can use a calculator, right? That's what I told. This has becomes very good questions actually, right? After cat has introduced calculator. So you can use calculator, you can check that the value of 1 by 143 is equal to 0.006 993. That's it. Occurring after every 6 digits. So I know that this 6 and this 6 will be same actually, right? So what is my answer? My answer should be fourth digit. What is the fourth digit here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 9 is the answer. So 9 is the answer for this beautiful question actually. 9 is the answer. Right. Okay. I don't know how many of you got it right, but I think everyone should got it because I started right from the basic. The most basic thing we could start is how to write a number in terms of its rational, how to write a recurring decimal in terms of its rational number, p by q form, right? 0 point, like any number divided by 9, number by 99, number by triple nine. So in that series, we are deriving, and then we have reached to this good question actually, right? Okay. It's clear to all, I think, right? Okay, let's do some questions now. Okay, that will get you going in this. Chalo. Next one. Any doubt? Okay. Doubt we can discuss in group also, na? Discuss in our WhatsApp group, right? कोई doubt होगा तो fine. Let's move forward here. Okay, next question. Chalo. Quickly. 50th digit after decimal in expansion of 13 by 85. Chalo. Who will tell me this answer? 13 by 85. Yeah. Yes, obviously that doubt you'll get now. Yeah, 17. Obviously, right? I know. That's why I'm giving this question here, right? 13 by 85. Now, 85 is obviously a multiple of 17, right? So obviously we should discuss, right? Because we know about 7, we know about 9, we know about 11, we know about 13, we know about 37 and all, right? So why should we leave 17? Okay. So now, but 17 is a tough number actually, right? 17 is a tough number actually, right? So you should remember that. Just remember, right? Again, I don't want to like extend it too much actually, right? So remember it because again, 17 is a very famous number. You try to derive it. No, don't derive it. 17 is a very famous number. Remember that RDC of 17 is equal to 16. Okay, RDC of 17. That means obviously you can't check it, right? 969 times this 16 9 is written 16 times actually, right? So 9 is written 16 times actually, and then it is divided by 17. So it will have completely divisible. That means just wait, just this I'm saying actually, right? When n is divided by 999 16 times, 16 times, right? So its RDC is equal to 16 for and all the factors of this, right? So obviously 17 is a factor. So remember here, RDC of 17 is 16. And you can remember one more thing here actually. Remember one more thing actually here is, yeah, remember one more thing here. Any number, right? For any prime number, for any prime number P. Okay, for any prime number P, remember this. For any prime number P, the RDC, or I should write here, the maximum RDC, the maximum RDC will be P minus 1. Very important to remember here. Okay. So for any prime number P, the maximum RDC will be equal to P minus 1. Okay, the maximum RDC equal to P minus 1. For any prime number C, yeah. Just let me go through the comments here. Yeah, okay. Fine, fine, fine. Yes. Small doubts we can discuss in the WhatsApp group, no? Okay. Obviously, the small doubts we can discuss in our WhatsApp group. We have such a huge group, such an active group on WhatsApp, right? So we can discuss everything there, no issue. Yeah, small doubts. But I think it was fine. Yeah. Chalo. Then let me conclude. Last 5 minutes. Okay. For any prime number P, the maximum RDC will be P minus 1. Remember here, right? I'm saying maximum RDC, not exact RDC here, right? For any prime number P, the maximum RDC can be P minus 1. Okay. Now, so what I'm saying is, suppose if I ask you, I'll come back to this question, don't worry, right? If I ask you, what is the, or is 98th digit after decimal in, sorry, 98 digit after decimal in expansion of 1 by 17, right? So now assume that I don't know RDC of 17 now, right? So if I don't know RDC of 17, so just I should try by that funda that for any prime number P, its maximum RDC is P minus 1. This is maximum RDC, right? That means for 17 its maximum RDC will be equal to 16, right? It could be less than 16 also, right? But that's fine. Okay, let's assume it is 16. I know it is exactly 16, right? But let's assume that I don't know that funda. Okay, what is the exact RDC of 17? That means for 17 the maximum RDC will be 16 here, right? So it occurs, this repeats after every how many digits? After every 16 digits, right? In decimal part. Okay. So what are, yeah, what is the value of 1 by 17? Don't use calculator for 1 by 17. This question can be in CAD directly. Okay, don't use calculator in 1 by 17. What is the value? 5 point, remember here. What is 1 by 17? 5.88%. Right. So what is 98 digit basically means what I want is 98 by 16 remainder. 98 by 16 remainder is what? 2. That means I want second digit after decimal. That's it, right? What I all want is second digit after decimal, dear. Nothing else, right? So what is second digit after decimal? 1 by 17 is 5.88%. That means what is the value? 0.0588. What is the second digit after decimal? 0.5, right? I don't need further values also. Straight away my answer is 5. My answer is 5. Right. So even if we don't know the exact RDC of some prime numbers, I can directly make it like this, right? That for any prime number P, it's for only prime number, understand, right? Not for other numbers like 9 and 15 and all, right? It's for only prime numbers. For any prime number P, its maximum RDC will be P minus 16. Sorry, P minus 1. So for RDC for 17, its maximum RDC is 16. And on the basis of that only, this question is solved. I don't need to check anything else at all. Clear the word? Chalo, let's come back to this question now. Okay. And wind up this class on a good note. Right. Yeah. So the question was 50th digit. Yeah, I'll write it. Yeah, I know that you don't have this. I understand. Don't worry. 50th digit after decimal in, yeah, 13 by 85. Now you can tell me the answer. You can tell me the answer quickly. Yeah, obviously, fine. I can think like this, but because 85 is basically 5 into 17. So once 85 is 5 into 17, what is the RDC of 5? 5 as doesn't got any RDC, right? Because 5 is purely a terminating decimal, right? So 5 is purely a terminating decimal. So 1 by 5 is 0.2. So I don't have to worry about RDC here. So RDC we don't have to worry about, right? The RDC main thing is here. What is RDC for 17? So maximum RDC for 17 is 16, or we should now know that the exact RDC also 16 for 17. Remember it, right? So exact RDC is 16 for 17. So if RDC is 16, I'm looking for 50 digit after decimal. That means It repeats after every 16 digits. So what I'm looking for is 50 by 16. That remainder is actually 3. So 50 by 16, that remainder is actually 3. That means I'm looking for what? Third digit after decimal. I'm looking for third digit after decimal. Now for this you can use calculator and tell me what is the third digit after decimal. Yes, very good. Third digit after decimal is what? If you calculate the value, if you see calculator, 13 by 85 is something like 0.0152 everything. The third digit after decimal is equal to, sorry. Yeah, really sorry, really sorry, really sorry, sorry. It's remainder 2 here, right? Yeah, I'm sorry. गलती इंसान से ही होता है, माफ कर दो, ठीक है? Yeah, the second digit after decimal is basically what? 5. So 5 is the answer. Right? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yeah. एक और. Okay. चलो last question of the day. Last question of the day. Last question of the day. Okay. 67th digit in expansion of, sorry, I should write complete, no? 67 digit. Last question of the day. After decimal in expansion of 11 by 13. 11 by 13. Yes. Use calculator, no issue, right? नहीं भी use कर सकते हो. Not needed also, basically. You can use also if you want, right? See, cat people studying cat have got good common sense, right? They know that you can, if they ask 1 by 13, they can't ask you fifth digit after decimal, right? Without get calculator. Okay, that you have to understand is small things. They not ask nonsense questions, right? If calculator has to be used, they're asking fourth, fifth, sixth digit after decimal. Calculator has to be used, otherwise there's no need of calculator. Okay. So yeah, so that means now RDC of 13 is equal to what? We know now 13 RDC is 6. So I want 67 digit after decimal. 67 by 6. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Right? What is the answer? What is the answer? Yeah. Yeah. So what I want, what I'm looking is for first digit after decimal is equal to what? What is the first digit after decimal? Do it. I thought a point. What is the value? Check करो calculator में. If you want to check 11 में कितना होगा? Is what? 0.846 and all, right. So what I want first digit after decimal, that is 8. So 8 is the answer. Okay. Right. So thank you for giving me a precious time. So it was first time, again I'm telling, right? So few technical difficulties. Okay. Yeah, I learned more about this live chats and all, right? We'll try to figure it out more frequently. Okay, the more we go live, more we go frequently, more frequently we go live, then we can correct all these issues here, right? So just give me 1 or 2 more classes, and then I'll be very frequent with these live sessions actually, right? And I'll be very comfortable also seeing all the live chats at a time and discussing concepts also, everything, right? So next time I'll make this experience more better for all of you. Okay, live class have got a different feeling actually, right? It gets you the feeling of, okay, this class is going on, something is in front of you, right? So yeah, obviously we'll put all the recorded videos, obviously, for all the previous, and we'll keep on recording the videos. Okay. So yeah, correct. So let's say, and all the doubts we'll post in our FB group and WhatsApp group. Anybody having any doubt? Okay, especially relates to this one RDC here. Okay, then I'll give you questions, right? We'll give you more questions on this RDC. Yeah, I'll give you more questions RDC. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Any other point? Okay. Okay then. Yeah. Fine. Chalo then. Yeah, my number is 9555 020070. Right? You can straight away message me or come in our group. Right? People who are not in our group, join our WhatsApp group. Okay. Link is in YouTube description of our channel. Our WhatsApp link is given, right? Yeah, WhatsApp link is given. Join through that. Yeah, please. What I want from all of you is a feedback, because see, everything is we are giving on free, right? So I want big feedbacks, right? I really like getting good feedbacks. Even if they're bad, it's fine, right? But I like it getting good feedbacks, right? So give me feedback, post in our WhatsApp group, in our FB group, okay? And I just love feedback. Anyhow, how we can improve more, how was the session, especially, right? How we like the concept, right? So yeah, chalo then. Good night, everyone. Good night, and we'll be in again in 2 3 days. We'll be live with again a very good properties of numbers, right? We'll do live sessions with very good properties, right? Do attend all the live sessions. Okay. It means I'll enjoy it, right? If more people are there in the live session, that keeps me more pumped, actually, keeps me more motivated, right? So join this live session just for my motivation, and we'll keep on sharing this very good concepts with all of you. Okay. Good night. Take care.